Did you know the average person could ingest up to 50,000 microplastic particles a year? It's a shocking statistic, but there's a solution at hand. Microplastics, tiny but mighty pollutants, are everywhere. From our oceans to our food chain, they pose significant risks to our health and environment. But what if I told you there's an innovative way to replace them with something sustainable and biodegradable? Introducing multifunctional cellulose. Derived from renewable resources like wood, cotton, and even algae, cellulose is biodegradable, compostable, and a game-changer for eco-friendly formulations. Imagine creating products that are not only high-performing but also kind to our planet. So why should you care? As a professional in the chemical industry, transitioning to cellulose means enhancing product performance, promoting sustainability, achieving cost efficiency, and fostering innovation. That's a lot of wins in one package. And the best part? I've got an exclusive online training that walks you through everything you need to know about making this switch. Here's what you'll gain. Well, first of all, enhance product performance. Discover how advanced cellulose materials can improve viscosity, texture, and stability in your products. Next, promote sustainability. Yes, learn to reduce your environmental footprint with biodegradable and renewable cellulose sources. Also, achieve cost efficiency. Explore cost-effective cellulose alternatives that maintain high production standards. And last but not the least, foster innovation. Get insights into the latest cellulose technologies to create unique market-leading products. This training is designed for formulation scientists, R&D managers, and sustainability experts who are ready to drive innovation and sustainability in their product lines. Imagine leading the charge towards a greener future while staying ahead of regulatory pressures and consumer demands. Let me also tell you what we will cover in this training. We will start by understanding microplastics in formulations and a quick introduction to multifunctional cellulose. We will do quick, interesting comparison of microplastics and cellulose-based alternatives. Expert will take you through formulation strategies using cellulose and how to adhere regulatory and compliance considerations. He will also discuss sustainability and circular economy aspects for better clarity and wrap up the session with Q&A session to clear all your doubts. Don't miss this opportunity to be a part of the solution. Register now and join the movement towards sustainable formulations. Let's create a cleaner, greener future together. To register, click on the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com now.